At this point, I've searched several search terms at once, but now I will show you how to do an advanced kind of search. It's actually not that complicated. So I'll click back on terms, and instead of searching these 3 terms, what I'll do is I'll go back and I want to search for acute lymphoblastic leukemia, but I actually want to search for the abbreviation. So I type in ALL in capital and I click Set Search Terms. Now, one of the key things to note is that by default, all of the searches are case insensitive. So even though I typed in a capital ALL, it's actually searching for any kind of ALL regardless of the case. So we can see here in this example, ALL such as all supportive, all lobes, all 4 quadrants, etc. And that's really not what I'm looking for. So if I go back to my terms, and I can see if I click a link called Show Advanced Options, there's a few things I can do here. So one of them is clicking on or adding this little caret symbol in front and putting that in front of the word, which basically means I want it to be a case-sensitive match. So by doing this, what I'm saying is I want to search for case-sensitive capital ALL. So I set my search terms, I click on the search button, and now you can see there's far fewer results. And if I click on one of the patients, I can now see where it says pre-B-cell ALL, relapsed ALL, etc. So in this case, I really narrowed down the search, removed a lot of the false positives, and now I can see much better the actual search terms I'm looking for without getting all of the other non-capitalized ALLs. So this is a handy way to do a search where I don't know exactly what I'm looking for. Another thing that this provides is a wildcard. So a wildcard can match any kind of word as long as it's on the inside or edge of an individual word. You can't start a search with a wildcard, so the first letter in the search cannot be a wildcard term, but it can be at the end of a word. So I can, for example, type in HYPER with a star and set my search terms, and then run that search. And now let's see what we find. We find hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, hyperkalemic, hyperacute, etc. So I'm basically searching for the word hyper, and then I'm using the wildcard to let the system match anything else after that for those words. And it's a very powerful way to help find things when you don't know exactly how it will be spelled or worded.